Hi friends, welcome back to my channel iQOO. In this, I'm going to do the Powerdirector video rendering speed test comparison between the iQOO 7 versus Mi10T device, Snapdragon 870 chipset versus Snapdragon 865 chipset. So you might be wondering why I'm doing this kind of comparison between these both phones. The main reason is because just a couple of hours back, I did do this kind of Powerdirector video rendering speed test comparison using these other smartphones. Let me show you exactly, as you can see friends clearly. And after watching this video, few of the users they did mention that the Snapdragon 870 did not perform well when compared with the Snapdragon 865, because in that video I did use the Realme GT Neo 2. But in this video I'm going to use the iQOO 7 device, which has got Snapdragon 870, which is quite powerful enough. But let's see how well this phone gonna manage in terms of beating this Snapdragon 865. So this is the Powerdirector video rendering application which I'm going to use exactly between these both phones, and both applications are exact same versions. So no need to worry about that version. So exactly same version I'm trying to use, 9.8.0 only, as you can clearly see friends. As you can see, same version I'm trying to use. Now let me need to open the Powerdirector. So is a rendering file. So same video file which I'm going to add between these both phones, exactly same 1080 video file only I'm trying to add. As you can see friends clearly, same 1080 video file. Nothing, I did not add any other extras, just only direct video file, right? So let me to first show you the settings between two phones. And 1080, same standard bitrate, everything is pretty same. And this 1080 I'm trying to convert to 1080 30 fps, okay? And next time I'll try to convert to 1080 60 fps and then 4K. So in this way we'll try to increase step by step, and let's see what will be the difference between these both phones. To find exact difference, let's start the stopwatch as well. 1, 2 and 3. So now we'll be able to see exactly Snapdragon 865 and Snapdragon 870. Try to observe the difference friends clearly. So what's going on? So we'll try to see. So I'll try to do the three different scenarios, okay? 1080 to 30 fps and 1080 to 60 and 4K rendering as well. So it's quite shocking to see Snapdragon 865 was performing in the Mi10T quite faster than the iQOO 7 device, as you can clearly see friends. I'll try to use in the Snapdragon 888 processor as well, so stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested. So I do have the Realme GT with me, so I can actually do the Realme GT comparison. So very soon I'll try to compare as soon as possible. But right now this seems to be like far faster than the iQOO 7 device using this Powerdirector. So different applications render different speeds. So you need to find out which application you are using, and based on that we'll try to decide which processor is faster for that application. But this Powerdirector application right now, Snapdragon 865 was ultimately faster. See the speed, like wow, 100%, and this iQOO 7 is still at 72% by the time the Mi10T finished. This is a Snapdragon 865. As you can see friends, exactly. Wow. So definitely the Mi10T is slightly faster. Now let me need to stop and let's go back and let's select another settings about 60 fps. Okay, slightly kind of dosage increased a little bit, but let's see with the 60 fps what happens. 1, 2 and 3. So same time I did click 1080 to 1080 60 fps. Even right now also the Mi10T was able to render pretty fast. That's pretty good. The Snapdragon 865, as you can see friends, not bad in terms of rendering speeds. It's kind of fast. And let me know in the comment section below friends on what smartphones you want me to compare this kind of comparison. Definitely I'll do my best to post the side-by-side comparison with other smartphones as well, how well other phones are actually behaving in terms of rendering speeds. But right now if you try to observe at this moment, you can definitely see the Snapdragon 865 is kind of 1.5x time kind of speed. Right now as you can see friends, the Mi10T was able to finish as well, 100% got finished, but iQOO 7 was like still loading. It's taking a lot of time. The rendering speed, you can see friends what's going on. It's kind of shocking to see this Powerdirector application. Maybe it's not going pretty fast. I'll try to use other applications like KineMaster video rendering applications, then we'll be able to come into more conclusion, let's go to the 4K rendering. 4K, same 30 FPS I'm trying to do. Okay, 4K 30 FPS. Let's see, 1, 2, and 3. This time both phones are like kind of very close. We are getting the 4K rendering speeds, but again the Mi10T is slightly it's increasing the speeds. It's not decreasing at all. Like it's going with a constant pace. The equal pace, it's kind of increasing. Can see, friends, clearly what's going on. So this is a quick side-by-side video rendering speed test comparison. So I thought of just explaining to you so that you can actually understand what's happening as well regarding these both phones. That's very fast in the Mi10T, yes. So I did not expect this much of like very fast. I need to do one more thing. I need to test Mi10T versus OnePlus 8T, because OnePlus 8T also has got the Snapdragon 865 chipset. So that will give the clear idea what's going on. I'll try to compare those phones as soon as possible. So stay tuned for those videos, friends. But right now is a clear example where Mi10T was able to like finish faster than the iQOO 7 device. As you can see, friends. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this a quick speed test of video rendering comparison between the Mi10T versus iQOO 7 device. So you can clearly understand the Mi10T with the Snapdragon 865 was able to like done and dusted, finished everything completely fine in this device. So in case if you're having any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll be able to help you out with your doubts. And if you're interested to use any other video rendering applications, let me know. I can definitely try those applications in my testing, so we will be able to understand exactly how those applications are working under this process. But definitely the Snapdragon 865 is kind of pretty good, not bad. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates and see you in the next video. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.